Some Minnesota lawmakers say shuttering a federal watchdog agency could hurt consumers.
Right now, some work at the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is on pause. Caroline Cummings explains what it does and why some are concerned.
Welcome to the Commerce and Consumer Protection Committee.
Many miles away from Washington, the fate of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau took center stage in the Minnesota House Commerce Committee on Thursday.
The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau was created 15 years ago.
The CFPB, as it's known, was born out of the 2008 Great Recession and is designed to protect people from corporate fraud and scams. But now its future could be in jeopardy after the acting director of the agency earlier this month said it should stop its work as the Trump administration looks to revamp the federal government.
Who is going to protect student loan borrowers like me? We need someone policing this bad behavior and protecting consumers. Without the CFPB, there will be no watchdog ensuring fairness in the rental market and student loan financing.
In Minnesota, the State Department of Commerce is a place for consumers to report issues, but leaders in that agency testified that certain areas like federally regulated banks and credit card companies are not in their purview. Its staff dedicated to these issues is also small.
If consumers don't have a place to go, and this has happened in the past, where if they're not getting a response either from a different agency, whether that's a state agency or a federal agency, they will continue to follow up with us. So that is something we'll be monitoring closely.
The legislature recently passed laws protecting people with medical debt and student loan borrowers, but some DFL lawmakers warned that the state can only do so much if the CFPB shuts down.
We'll certainly do our best. We take it as our mission and our creed to protect Minnesotans. But we are out-resourced in this one.
At the Capitol, Caroline Cummings, WCCO News.
There are other consumer protection resources in the Federal Trade Commission and within the FDIC, which regulates financial institutions. Critics of the CFPB say it is a redundant federal agency.